What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video, today's vlog. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lane Jackson. Welcome to Lane Jackson Fitness. If you enjoy the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave, all right? So right now it is 9 o'clock in the morning. I actually got up around 5:30. I did 45 minutes of fasted cardio. Then I had to drive an hour all the way back home. So we're getting ready to do a weigh-in, and then we're gonna do a physique update. So let's go ahead and jump straight into that. So getting ready to have meal number one for today, but I want to show you guys a few things that I did pick up from Walmart, all right? So when you guys are trying to eat clean, you're starting your new fitness journey, whatever the case may be, you can eat healthy on a very like low cost budget, guys, all right? So you can get a bag of rice, get your rice cooker. This will go a long way. Eggs, I usually buy the eggs by the case, and this is only $4.75 per case. So we got 2 cases right here. But I'm also gonna try out these potatoes because I'm supposed to have 8 ounces of potatoes with my eggs in the morning. So I want to try out these new this new microwave. It's called the Little Potato Company, and it has a seasoning pack in there. So we're gonna whip these up. I'm gonna throw some rice in the rice cooker. I'll show you guys how to do that, and then we're gonna whip up our eggs. But guys, honestly, when it comes to this dieting, you can eat healthy, you can achieve your fitness goals on a very low cost budget, all right? I will do a video on that. I did a video in the past before, but I'll do an updated video basically showing you guys how to shop and how to eat smart and can save some money, all right? Because at the end of the day, I know this stuff can be very expensive, but you just gotta be smart, you gotta be creative, and you gotta make sure you're getting the use out of every dollar you're spending, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and whip this up, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the final meal looks like. So you guys are in for a treat today because I'm gonna show you guys how to steam rice. Very simple, very easy, but I'm also gonna show you guys one way you can cook chicken, all right? So I do have some chicken breast, some raw chicken breast. I am going to cook it today. I'm gonna show you guys a method that you can use to cook your chicken, and it's gonna make it tasty. It's gonna help you stay on track with your diet. I know in my last videos or some of my previous videos, you guys got to see that I'll go to Trader Joe's and I'll buy like the pre-cooked grilled chicken breast. But at the end of the day, I know everyone cannot do that because it can become costly. So therefore, we got some raw chicken breast right here in the refrigerator, right here in the fridge. So we got some chicken breast right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out now. I'm gonna go ahead and whip my breakfast up first because I need to get that meal in. And then we're gonna dive straight into cooking the chicken breast and the rice, all right? So get your notepad out, pull up your notes on your iPhone for all my team iPhone users out there, and let's go ahead and get this going, all right? So I took these potatoes out just now, and it comes with this seasoning pack right here. And you could put a little olive oil in there if you want, but I'm gonna stay away from the olive oil. And I sprinkle some of the seasoning on these potatoes, and it smells amazing. So I'm gonna have 8 ounces of this with my eggs for breakfast. That's meal number one. And what I'm gonna do with the rest of this seasoning, I'm thinking about either putting it in the rice when I cook my rice, or seasoning my chicken with it. What I'll do is I'll season the chicken with the rest of this because it actually smells good. This is parsley and garlic, guys. Parsley and garlic, this seasoning pack right here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with the rest of the seasoning. Too easy. Look how good that looks, y'all. That looks amazing, right? I know. Stop licking your screen and go cook your own. So there's a few ways you can prepare your rice. I actually like using the rice cooker, guys. If you can get one, you can find one on Amazon. I think this one was like 20 bucks, very cheap. But I like using the rice cooker because all you gotta do is measure everything out, put it on there, and then push cook, and that's it. So right here you have this bag of rice. Sometimes it will come in a box depending on the brand you get. And if you flip it over, it's gonna tell you how to prepare it. Now this particular brand does not tell you how to measure it out for if you're using a rice cooker. It just tells you stovetop or microwave. but I'm just gonna follow the directions as far as the measurements. So it's gonna tell you the measurements. We're gonna do 2 cups of rice dry, and I use this measuring cup right here. And then with 2 cups of dry rice, you need 3 cups of water. So with the same measuring cup, I measured out 3 cups of water. And all we're gonna do is take this water, pour it in here, like that. It's gonna fill up. Now, one thing you can do, guys, you can actually season your rice, add some flavor to it. But for me, I'm just gonna leave it plain. You can add like some garlic salt, some garlic pepper, some seasoned salt, whatever you want to give flavor to your rice. And that's a tip, or that's something you could do to just make your food tasty, all right? So simply, all I'm gonna do is put this right here and put the lid on and then push cook, and this will be done in about 20 minutes. One of my favorite ways to cook chicken, guys, is in a cast iron pan. So I have 2 cast iron pans. I have this style right here, which gives you like a grill style. So basically your food is just gonna have grill marks on it, and then I have a flat one as well. So we got the cast iron pan. We got this chicken breast right here, which I pre-cleaned when I first bought it. I like to clean all my protein sources. I mean, you can't clean ground turkey or ground beef, guys, but like steaks, pork chops, chicken, anything that you can rinse off, I always rinse it off. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out probably 2 breasts. We're gonna do 2 breasts, and I'm gonna trim off any excess fat, and then I'm gonna cut these in half, thin them out, all right? So that way they cook faster. So our chicken is seasoned up, and now we're gonna get ready to put it in this pan. Now keep in mind, guys, if you decide to get a cast iron pan or use a cast iron pan, these pans get extremely hot. So you're gonna need something to grab this handle right here, all right? So I actually been letting this heat up for about 5 minutes. So I like to get it nice and hot. I don't put it on high, but I just like the pan to get hot. So that way it pretty much sears the outside and it seals the juices in. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in. When you cut them thin, they cook a lot faster, right? So we're gonna do a few pieces at a time, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish cooking the rest of this up, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Yeah, so our chicken is done. As you guys can see, it looks very, very delicious, which in about 30 minutes I will be eating 5 ounces of chicken, and I'm gonna have a cup of rice. And then also our rice cooker, this little lever right here, it pops up when it's done and it's switched back to warm, because you can leave the rice in there to help it stay warm. So the rice is done as well, and I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. And there you guys go. So this is probably gonna give me about 6 cups of rice. I'm hoping I could get about 8. I'm gonna weigh it out on my scale, and I'm gonna weigh the chicken out, and I'm gonna prep my meals. And guys, just keep this stuff simple, all right? Do not overcomplicate it. When you overcomplicate things, that's where it gets confusing, and then that's where you're gonna give up and just go back to eating those cheeseburgers from McDonald's, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and prep this food up, and we're gonna just keep the vlog rolling, see what the day brings us. Time to hit that gym, y'all. Put in that work. Today we're training chest, a little bit of tries, 45 minutes of post-workout cardio. That being said, let's go ahead and get it. Man, it seems like every time I get in this car, I have to put gas in it. Who's on the struggle bus with me, man? So the workout's complete. After chest, I actually did a few tricep exercises, but I did not record it because the gym was just getting super packed. And then right after that, I did 45 minutes of post-workout cardio. So I just finished my shake, which was 2 scoops of protein powder from Muscle Tech using this very new protein powder, this line they just came out with. I cannot share it with you guys just yet. I have to wait until May. So stay tuned for the preview of that. Also, I will be doing a giveaway of the new protein powder, all right? So if you're interested in the giveaway, make sure you tune into these videos. But real quick, guys, I was gonna head home, but something told me to stop by the grocery store and to see if they have any good deals going on right now as far as getting some chicken. So I stopped by the store and I managed to pick up 3 packs of chicken breast, which is the thin cut, which is what I like because it cooks faster. And to me, it stays juicy longer. Get the camera to focus. It's buy 1, get 2 free. So look, guys, I bought 3 packs of chicken and I only paid $18. It was originally $45, and I got 3 packs for only 18 bucks. So where I'm trying to get at with this, guys, you can eat healthy on a budget. You just have to get out there and look for these deals and take advantage of these deals, all right? So we're gonna head to the house, clean this up, season it up. I'm probably gonna take it to the fire department tomorrow and just grill it all up and put it in Tupperware. That way I can just take out what I need and prep my meals for the next 5 days, all right? I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the sun is setting right now and it looks very beautiful. I actually just got done grilling some of that chicken, but we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here, guys, because I don't want to keep these videos super long. I hope you enjoy the content today, guys. The message I want to give to you guys is focus on your journey, all right? Don't let anyone distract you. Don't let anyone, you know, get you off track. Focus on your journey and stay disciplined, stay committed, all right? At the end of the day, people are gonna say things, do things, and try to discourage you from achieving your goals, your dreams, but don't let them do that, all right? And I say that because it's truly a journey, and don't be scared, don't be embarrassed of what you're doing, all right? You know, fully embrace what you're doing and just keep pressing forward. When I did my first competition, I had tons and tons of people say, why are you dieting? You know, you only live once. You may go get hit by a bus and you're gonna wish you ate bad food. You're gonna wish you ate this cheeseburger or something like that. That's just people being insecure and wishing they can wishing that they had that same dedication and that discipline that you're putting out to achieve your goals, all right? So always remember to stay on track, stay focused, don't give up. It's gonna happen, guys. It takes time. It's truly a marathon. It's not a sprint race. No one gets abs overnight. No one gets big muscles overnight. You have to put in the work day in, day out. Stay committed, stay consistent, and it will happen, all right? So if you enjoy these videos, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, again, subscribe, share the content, like the content, guys. If you think my content can benefit someone in your life or someone around you, share my content with them, guys. We are aiming to get to 50,000 subscribers, and then after that, we are pushing to get 100,000 subscribers, all right? Until next time, peace.